So when you come for a free hearing test at Specsavers, we'll spend a little bit of time to get to know you. We'll get an understanding of where you're struggling, where you're not hearing so well, and what your family members are saying as well. Once we've done that, we'll get a little bit of a medical history, just to make sure that these problems haven't occurred before. We'll then have a look inside your ears, and we'll show you what your ears look like as well. And what we're looking for is to make sure our eardrums are nice and healthy, and our ear canal is looking nice and healthy, and there's not too much wax in there that's going to stop us doing any testing. Once we've got all of that and we've had a talk, we'll then carry on and do your hearing test. And in your hearing test, we'll pop some headphones on you and we'll give you a button. And what we ask you to do is press the button when you hear a sound. Now we are trying to test for the very quietest sound that you can hear. So when you hear the sound, all we ask you to do is press the button. We'll be testing lots of different pitches and lots of different intensity levels. And once we've got them results, we plot them on what we call an audiogram. And once we've finished the test, we'll go through that graph with you and we'll lie that up to show you where you're struggling and give you a little bit of information about what might be working so well and what's maybe not working so well, and put a plan in place in order for you to hear better.